Good afternoon. This afternoon we have our distinguished speaker here, Geshe Tsering. Tsering was born in Tibet, of course, but like many young Tibetans in the 80s, seeking the opportunity to study Buddhism in the Tibet, their own culture, made this journey into India. He arrived in India in 1998 and entered the Doeguling monastery here, pursued his studies and received Geshe degree in 2010. Geshe Tsering is another day we had Geshe Dawa, remember here, the day before yesterday. And as I introduced him as the Grand Master of the monastery, someone who provides teachings to almost all the monastic language at the monastery, the people who seek the teachings with them. So Geshe Tsering is, even though young in age, but he is a very, very, very great teacher, scholar, a genuine embodiment of what you study. He puts into practice. So therefore, at the monastery here, he is regarded as truly as a very universal master for the monastery. It's a great privilege for us to have him here, particularly to speak on the very heart of Buddhism, on the Tibetan origination and emptiness, based on the great text by the great master Drepung in praise of Tibetan origination. This text is in your package in English. Of course, will not have time to go through everything, but will summarize the very essence of what this text is about in praise of Tibetan origination.
Ten tambo tila ani namazu tsama ani karsubre tanda Drepung la tusini peche ta nongshi loni che chi den Drepung la peba de tuma gasu shue is ta ngangsu de ngandi Drepung gi ta karsubre gege chi mingini samin sabchi ni gasu shue is.
As a member of a faculty, a teaching faculty here at Drepung, first of all, I would like to extend my greetings and welcome you to Drepung as you have come here to study and practice.
Tat nge tari karsure ngoche chiye lomse ti jitsung khaba chimin zepi tenje tebi ko tire to tenje tebi ko di indi tsani ta tenje tebi gi ko kaso jeshi tenda ni di kanji chire ani di jesha ti kechi mo kanji chire ta tensi ni gu tone ani jeshi didi shwei.
Now the topic for my talk here is Drepung as the text referred to as in praise of the Tibetan origination, and here I would like to focus my presentation on two points to elucidate or to elaborate on the essential, very kind of core content of this text, core meaning of this text.
Jitsungkapa siyati ani karsubre rogindi mishiti so chengidire. Ti indi tsanita korangi karsubre tenji tyaban ziya gi jirin jabuti kanji chiresin shubayina. Ani karsubre koran ani gulu chidin la ta domeni a peche ta gulu chidil lesale barwa. Gulu chidil lesale sabi jila ta korangi karsa tugi tamjan jabuti kari yoresene ni yores ni. Tambo di ani umi tadu di pi tabu shuchi janggu nyambi tongja chi tang nipa de karsubre ngarsu sungang ko le pe karsubre loje ya puji chegu siye di tongja nimbo di koran lo lesa ya tambo lo ni chega pedi ni di ni gto lo nyoshi pi tabu chegu siye tundi de tambo ni yores.
Now, Drepung is the founder of what is referred to as Gelug tradition or the lineage in Tibetan Buddhism. This great master that he just for about his life, he was of course born in eastern part of Tibet, but he came to the central Tibet in Lhasa when he left with innovation at age 16, but arrived in Lhasa when he was 17 to study further studies that he had already started back at home, monastery. But arriving in Lhasa in central Tibet, that he had two commitments, main commitments, or the focus that he had. One, he had this deep commitment to deeply explore the middle way view, the middle way perspective from the middle way, view of the middle way school or the middle way tradition. And then the second, his commitment was to explore the subtleties and practices of the secret mantra or the tantric Buddhist tradition.
Ta ti imbi karsobre ani tanse tawde kari yoresena jima korangu sumbula panjiung di tsani korangu sumbutul chedu me lebu choje towa lebu choje nani pede sunga chungbi ge lebu tele lebu chen yores lobu che jima korata pede nyoshi chasan ze tsabe jila korangi chede sha sumbu ge lebu nala ani umi tatu bashi dun jewa ibi sumbu lebu tele nga yores sumbu lebu tele ni karsobre juzi sta dombi juzi chago yores tisi yung di kal tito ni korangi 동부 튠드 동안 하시지니 녀시 존지서디 조 미타주 당 디톤의 송아우토로 뉴신제 여바디 세워차려 그래서.
Now, what is the evidence for that he made his focus, the research and writings and the firm understanding of the middle way view of the Madhyamika, the middle way view, and the practices of Tantra. That we can, this is evident from his writings. Tsongkhapa wrote 18 volumes. These teachings are collected in 18 volumes. Of those 18, 10 volumes are on tantric practices. And these 10 volumes are also composed after having fully, realized or achieved the full understanding of the Buddhist views, the middle way and so forth. And then with regards to the middle way philosophy of the middle way view, of the 18, there are 6 volumes that relate to that are about on the middle way philosophy.
다 당당 간소 까마기 드니 단다 띵지 때바티 따주는 저 요로와 송아들 미시기다 태가는 저가 매버체 따주는 저가 유디잖니 따주 통에 끼지 시용디 코란더니 갈소래 다 글로니 짠이를 내용디 갈 되니 고츠디다 음이 따주 시 차부 장야기다 고디디 수바레스 당 고디디 수지 지마 사모미 따주 시에디 비 시지말로 바 지시디 코로 또야 디시디 아니 글로지 신이나로 글로지 신이 갈더니 글로지 시지 갈 또 비친세 바 디 파살들 피시 음이 따주 툴 녀신 잡데 마수나 로 가지 치요레스 로 쭈기지 치요레스 바 시사비 통니 다 녀신 제 사비 질러 아니 갈수 그래 사모토만이 따주 시지말로 바 투스 추니 투스 추 사비 질 그런기 가서 담은지 베제데 간데레스나 다낭 알수 제지 유디비 데니 데바세야 디 차데 그래서
Now, Drepung himself, that he's deeply delving into the middle way philosophy, the studies and the research and exploring the middle way philosophy. So he got more seriously started when he was age 22. And for the next 90 years or so, he researched extensively and studied with various masters and so forth, and very thorough investigation and research and studies that he did on the middle way philosophy. For his own firm and decisive understanding of the middle way view as of the emptiness. That is that kind of breakthrough, the measure, the decisive breakthrough into the middle way view of the emptiness. That happened when he was age 42. After he had this decisive realization or understanding breakthrough into the emptiness, then the first text he wrote on the middle way philosophy, on the view of emptiness or the Tibetan origination, was this particular text, In Praise of Tibetan Origination. So this is the first text after his major breakthrough or decisive breakthrough into the middle way philosophy.
That lot digiti nalata nyoshi jetang chioroga. Nyoshi jetang ge talong jabde gareresne zodi umi taju tianbi sanji ge songdang ani nanja benju du su yulu le ngomulu ju dang teni dawa jaba du da papa la du su zo ji bi yulu la be de tisong jachi mun ya ani shu ji ni用提出奖励同的用个美丽站呢，娘的你别告诉下这里边的光机什么家呀？你什么的了？卡里有的是呢，用即俺说老年别告诉的，也不愿意个些的出啥子就接啊。但地托了的你别拉不拉一些子，等这错呢da当地老年等这托了，阿弥达主托了，鸟是姐姐da可能个。俺说土木的呢，那他弄解决对吧？的卡里有的是呢，过了几些节子利用的，搞的呢，我那个别什么多嘛，你打住些的，是就马路不脱了，做不出比甚至也这些的给的给的有的是。
Now his own studies into middle way, for the middle way to approach middle way philosophy, was of course that he. Consulted or studied the Buddha's own teachings. That's of course the primary material, and then the content of the Buddha's teachings on middle way philosophy were further elaborated by the great masters of the Nalanda tradition, like the Nagarjuna and the Chandrakirti and so forth. And Drepung very closely and had a thorough study of those shastra or the commentaries by the Nalanda masters on these the profound view of emptiness. So through the studies and then reflection, that part through the critical thinking, really to understand this, engaging in the he did not just leave it there. Once, that he while studying those texts to understand the profound meaning and the reflection, but to the extent that he had realization, he also combined that into the firm meditation and carried extensive retreats and meditation retreats and like that. So the hearing contemplation or the study contemplation and meditation, and also for this understanding that he has to become real, that he also engaged in these extensive practices of cleansing, purifying negativities, and accumulating positive energy from the merits. That's why the various practices aim at purifying negative karma, the negativities, and accumulating positive energies. It's through this kind of engagement that he also was someone who had very, the vivid, the real, the direct visions of the various deities, like the Manjushri and so forth, that with whom he could then consult and directly communicate. And it's through all these kind of extensive multiple approaches to approaching the middle of view that led the 41 to there, that according to the kind of like this conventional biographies, that it is maintained that his real breakthrough, the actual kind of the genuine realization of the middle way view happened that when he was around 40 or 42 years.
제가 제당기 nombi juluni shipi taju dela taju njamra mambo yores taju njamra mambo yupi nani pe samutomani tansi ti pe jebuna shichi chod jabada chadi yores ro ta tinje idi sani karchini ani nombi gi taju ma tusugi 가서다 로또나 다가zel 사무토마니 따주 우토로 녀시 제고래 사무토마니 따주 우토로 녀시 제데 가르치데 제고요래 디 따주디 신은 가르핀토 요래 따주도 마신은 제 가르용 거래 시리자니다 깨제 치치 우토니 깨제 셰바이나 다 nom비 따주니 셰상 좀 저당 그 따주 잠은 문부치 비는데 따주 초도 제가 사무토마니 따주디 깨제 치치 우토니 셰바이나 둥에 타다 세야도 대화 타다 제가 매디 차디요레스티 매디 땡가서 매지 니지고 그래서 둥에 유주 세야기다 매지 기시 여바이나 최표 둥에 용수 줘 봐. 세야 매지 여바이나 티 매디 사모토마니 따주 레스니 상지기 대송 바레스. 디시용디 깔다 상지기 숨바走了 차마샤다 지니. 다그랑 따주디 유미다. 따주 대당 아니 가사 소식 내두는 자 유미. 드지기 돌 다시 지용디 깔다 지중가베 침비기다. 벨로주그 예시제지 신주집이 주된 잡으디 상지기 수만한시 수말을 참아샤가지 소소리 비다지 다운디 깔아 디 주데디 다가나 상지기 수라니 수만한시 그러고 녀시 제반이 뭐 따다라 쳐버지 종아레스 따라 쳐버지 종이니까 될 때는 배 상지라 마음시비 대바 종이 아니 대바니 제바르 다는 가서 까봐 대바니
Now the Buddhist tradition is, of course, extensive, and literature in the Buddhism is very vast and extensive, and there are many philosophical perspectives that or the views, the positions that are formed by this extensive teachings, but among these many different philosophical positions, when it comes to what is the ultimate reality, the emptiness, the view of emptiness, this profound view of emptiness is like the king among all the various philosophical standpoints and the views, and such a profound king life, the profound view, the most supreme understood or to realize. So that's why the Tsongkhapa himself had a very, very sharp and incredibly gifted mind, though he had, but still that he spent this many years in very kind of focused studies and practice and the research and so forth. And then as a result of such intensive studies and exploration and research is what he achieved his view of emptiness. Now, why is this perspective, the view, the emptiness, the profound view of emptiness as a philosophy, as a perspective of the view about the reality, as a ultimate reality? Why is it so important? Why is it so significant? This can be summarized in just a couple of lines of this, and that is that if you think about that this profound view, what are the benefits of understanding, getting or experiencing, realizing this view? What are the downside or the disadvantage of not having this perspective or the view? But that you can really summarize in a couple of sentences, and that is that the significance of this is because that in order to eliminate the suffering, and in order to cultivate happiness, such a view is important. And that's why in the Buddha's teachings, this one is referred to as like the medicine that can eliminate illness or the suffering of all beings. And it's a medicine that can lead to or enhance or bring about the happiness for all beings. So that's part of the reason that from here you can see. But it's not just because Buddha said so. He did not leave it. He simply did not took it as the reality just because the Buddha said so. But rather he himself, as mentioned earlier, that he actually himself very meticulously examined and analyzed to kind of, by relating to his own experience of happiness and suffering, how such a perspective leads to the uplifting or the transforming of suffering, how such a view of emptiness contributes to the greater happiness and well-being. And then through such meticulous and careful analysis and the reflections and the studies and meditations that he actually himself that was able to confirm that in fact the view of emptiness is that critical, most critical, view of that when you realize, can eliminate the very root of all suffering and then lead to the ultimate happiness.
다 대강지 지레스는 쉬바이나. 당한서 다른디 가수래 양지 센을 도도라고 냐고에 지 가리여베세나. 다 지틴 디토러 템바 문자와 몽부지 중어레스. 다 템바 문자와 몽부지 중비 나니 아니 토바상지 중린디기 미시기 트모 마인비기다 코랑기 트모 마인비마 송샹주고 다중자부데라 니 요리스 다 동전 쉬바이니 니 차그레스 지디 가르차되어서나 가슈니 치통지 담에 있어야디 까미지레스 지쇼니 치통지 땡지레스 띠친 저원주와레스야디 까미 셴바지레스 다디 상지중린디 다 땡바시에도 문자리기다 코랑기 까미 사바송다부지 까미 문자지 대차디오레스다 든지 이디자니 아니 지송카바 침비기 산지기 대답이 깔로 망상주고 깔로 디니니 뭐디 돈바도 띵제시에 개체티 지용 찬이 티니 나서 변한 차시나 산지기 지수슈비 냐마 다하기 때문에 따좀마 요로베도 소이난다 아니 다가나 시진이 백하 강지기 중기 따좀마 요로베도 소이난다 코론 속에 비기 녀시 제사 그미 샤산다보티 조디 싫어마인바 농기 신체 농기 대두든제와 유비 토了미디어 샤바 마도 지기 싫어기 가서 지금 코유당 진짜 저 미디어 做下样말이스 이 미디어 전에 사무도만 니 따주시 지도니 다메리시에 그 따주 대당 지쇼니 지도니 대신 저완 주와리시에 그 따주 니보티 산지 그 수마 좀 많이바 이 수미 된다디 된了那把人对人们都当不清楚接地气다디 된了那把이나 대답이 그 손스 디니 니보티 원래 산지 그 수마 나시지는 가서 지제 공그 신체 그 최비기 둥이 세와도 대마주비 탐원치가 따다 죽어도 죽으면 돼. 이 신주 제제 딱 그런 게 저디니아디 빈차도 그랬어.
So to really kind of point to the what is the most in the most crucial point, if you will, the what that to speak about the most essential, the important point here has to do with like this in on this earth, that there have been many different philosophies, many different religious philosophical traditions, and there are many different perspectives that they bring about life and so on. That they're all important. What is unique about the Buddhist tradition, in terms of its philosophy? What might be the kind of unique to the Buddhist philosophy? That's very kind of important. It can be understood in two forms. From the side of negating its emptiness, negating any intrinsic or fixed reality of any emptiness. From the affirmative side, it would be dependently arising, dependently existing, codependence or interdependence. So these two, this kind of two aspects, 2 points of the reality, from the side, point of view of what is negated, what is negated from the negation, the emptiness, and from the affirmative point of view, all phenomena existing dependently. These two are the very kind of unique, aspect of philosophy that are unique to the Buddha's teachings. And now, this is what Geshe himself made clear that how these two, the Tibetan origination and emptiness, how these two are the kind of the main, the features of the unique features of the Buddha's philosophy, of Buddhist viewpoint. Now, on these two aspects of reality, if you look at 2 points of reality, of course, the great Panditas, the scholars, the great adepts of ancient India, also the great masters of Tibet, like Geshe and others, they all, they have, put so much focus in understanding this. Their general focus in pursuing education and the knowledge has been not something to explore outwardly, the external world. Their main focus was not about understanding, how the external world of matter and so forth work, but rather their primary focus happened to be understanding our inner world of mind, the thoughts, emotions, and so so forth. So inner world, and that's turning inwards. That analysis and exploration was, in turning inwards, and how this perspective of happiness, determination, what impact do they have in terms of our experience of happiness or the suffering and so forth. And as whether examining whether, as mentioned in the teaching, do they really make an impact? As do they actually conform to our personal experience, that the views of happiness eliminate suffering and contribute to happiness, whether or not through investigation, through such examination, careful to when they could confirm in their own experience, that's what then they such as spirituality, but then they expounded on these viewpoints.
다 제가 텐지 팀비 지시기 님본자고디 치 동장이 쉬바 있는 선고를 디그레스 지디 가레스나 아니 치동지 담에바 이단 가레스 디 담보드레스 심바치디 가레스나 담에바 시에 된다디 메비 된다로 고지 마인바 데코 텐지 된다로 고고 유디 산에 아니 저쇼니 티신 자만 주비 된다 가레스 티니바드레스 somebody career besena ta ona tini imboti misi gitene dedu din jawa career is ta tini la tini dewa chopa de dungi si vi thalon la kanjis jaji yoris tingonin jawa career is yagi jija tesmboti ta na ngazu tinje tv ta karso jija chu dodo chini lemba ina tesmo cha yoris ta jija te tu ngramba de career besena chetang gi chani cheba ini jisunga ba chimi samutomani ta du thule zuba chubi jelo 总想就给当说阿弥达主点到点想就给有家什么忙不有的是因为米西给当说点这这边那了切切米西去搞的有的不是呢这当说给搞说的点到嘛你原来嘛就这接当着的所有我的是这的搞的有的不是呢第一个先送军的嘛就是节气你把的搞的是呢第一个节气点到的嘛就是节气什么的搞的有的是错就节的错 대인디산이 미시기 딘제 때반다고 지리 차샤바 이는 사무토만이 그 따주당 대진 저반주와도 따주 사무토만이 그마 따주 대당자버디 조디 닝아글로니 닝아돈 제비 토니 아니코 모제 진우디 깔 디기 가르마 주제 제토고 그래서 가서 달렌다버디 가르땅토고 그래서나 주마 주제 제토고 여바츠나 마지 지지 된다 주제 제토고 여바츠나 마지 디긴 소아디 주제 제토고 그래서 인가 많이나 지지된다 지지야 마도 지금 소화디 지지 제토고 말했어. 단 소화디 지지 친구디 깔 디톤에 미시기 가르창도 그래서나 그 된다디 비세는 줘야기야. 제바지 요리 디타 미시기 더 많이 비드니 디비 체지 차도 그래서. 담보디 지자마 땡우디 짠이다 고 담보 땡디 지지 된다데다 고 东尼切、点这切、点你点对等着卡里原没地了吧？但地嘛点当着我的了军，可能先就去了，先送给拉曼个先送军嘛就这呀，所以个这里点了比比接那嘛就这呀，什么的当错啊，点动这边错啊就这的。
from the if you pin down, like it's just basically to the crucial points of the Buddha's teachings, that in terms of its content and like that, they fall in. They come down to three crucial points. One, in the Buddhist teachings, it focuses on the anatta, the selflessness. This is a unique feature of the Buddha's teachings, the selflessness of the anatta, the emptiness you can call it, the selflessness. The second part, in the way that selfness is understood is not as the absence of anything, just like the nothingness. That's not. But rather, the emptiness is understood in terms of existing dependently, arising dependently. So the selflessness of emptiness, not as to kind of lead to point to nothingness, but rather the existence in dependent manner. So that's the second point. The third point being that these two perspectives, while phenomena lacking essence, or the self-essence, Atman, lacking essence, yet existing dependently. How these two perspectives are related have the relevance for our own happiness and suffering. How these two perspectives can make an impact, make a difference, when understood or not understood, when we fail to understand how they can, contribute to our happiness or suffering. So those are the three kind of main points when you summarize, if you just take something like a concrete points of the Buddha's teaching, if you want to take it. Then in terms of the teachings in the Buddhist tradition, the teachings in terms of its exposition, or the manner of mode of teaching or mode of explaining, there are various ways, there are various manners, in terms of the explaining dependent origination, for example, there are various ways for any given topic and different styles of writing or expounding. In terms of dependent origination of the emptiness, this part, there are also that when it is explained, there can be different styles, at least three styles. That could be that one that follows the kind of the traditional, the method of this, that is, the way that's traditional, the following a traditional manner, that how it was written previously, and then following the same structures and so forth and so on. The other part may not be just following a certain kind of the narrative structure of the previous text, but rather focusing on the elucidating the main points and the kind of its content, and making clear about what the contents, what contents the text is elucidating. The third one is writing style, where primary focus is to kind of induce certain kind of experience, certain kind of felt sense, that when others read about it. So, in place of dependent origination, this text, this style itself, it falls to the third category, because the third category needs to be, it's the way that to convey some kind of felt experience. It often is poetic, in nature, written in a very poetic manner. So that this text is written in a very poetic manner. So when you study this, it's not just kind of the dry, understanding of the content, but actually it leads to the real felt feelings, experience.
Tanda desungi tenda deta nidi shubayina, didi shubayina, tene nganso tanda karsogre. Chitangi sanji gi taju gono che shitang ti shochi ni cheba yin pe ta de bu shochi yores. Kanjis ta de bu chago yores idi chanita 코랑 그 소야디 조 가르송 거래서나 아니 땅간소 지팅 콩기 듄이 용수 바데 가르티니 중거래 시디자니 레라티니 중거래스 자완다마다 랭 임바티니 중거래스 레디 코나티니 중거래 시디자니 레디 니물라티니 중거래스 다 니몽 장와디 바 튠조디 전에 가을 튠조 그래 시디 전에 나르서 단다 당즈시야디 튠조 거레스 다 당즈시야디 튠조디 전에 다 신주디 가르치고 그래 시디 전에 다 당즈싱이디 도 마토바이나 아니 니모도 토고 말이 니모도 마토바이나 레도 토고 말이 레도 마토바이나 둥이도 토고 말이 근데 이장 투상 잡으디 당즈를 튠조 거레스 다 당즈 시에디 간지지 도고레 시리자니 당즈 시에고 도동 잡으디 코 당즈 코론도 저동가 빌로지 찌네로 당즈기 시 인도 문도 따네 당즈데 로로파레도 문도 코난 기타는 즈마나시 소마나시 셰마나시 니비네스라 니도 문도 디 당제 돈이 디 시메 바토비 티니 당즈 슈추르당 당즈마 슈추르당 님보티니 도야데 마토 델린 디피 도비 타 인지 요마레스 다 당즈기 시 요래 요 말이세 기체시 온디 당긴 강속이 제자송은 사무토만 있어야 되던 저와 차디오레스 당즈기 시에메 바디 사무토만 차디오레 근데 이디자니 제가 코 사무토만 있으니디 코 둥잉 장 당즈기 되니베 당즈기 시가비기 시에메 바디 차디오레스 근데 그 사무토만 이게 당시에 딜로 소는 코토바이나 디 따따 딩이미닌셀 여바지 당 소소 뉴이토니 모체 제토바이나 아니 가서 둥이 타당 주사가 장기 당스 생이들 기주 땅 토고 어레스 텔 기주 땅 토바이나 아니 렌지코 가서 그래 니모도 차소도 레다 둥이 유주 도비 까지 용고 어레스 디치디칼로 돈이시야디 가르지니 코 퓨기 아니 둥이 세와당 대원 주비 타는 자와 요르스빈 자와 유돈 잡아디 고 대부지 돈이 쉬바이나 디사래
So the very, if you kind of summarize it, to point to the very essence of the significance or the essence or the importance of understanding this view, the profound view of emptiness. This has to do with our own experience of suffering. If you think of the happiness, so with regards to the suffering, from the Buddhist tradition, when you look at what contributes to our suffering, what is the immediate, more immediate, among other things, the internal speaking, one immediate cause of suffering, that will be karma, the actions, the karma, that how we engage physically, verbally, in attitude, these reactions, and then the patterns known as karma. Is it the suffering arise from the contaminated or the actions? These contaminated actions or the karma are grounded in afflictive or distorted emotions. The distorted emotions give rise to the distorted actions or the karma. But what is the root of distorted emotions like anger, jealousy, greed, and so forth, attachment, and so on? In the Buddhist tradition, the very root is understood as the self-grasping. This mistaken, mistaken, distorted, way of apprehending to this atma, the essence, like something that exists. What is referred to as the self-grasping, misconception. That is the misconception. Now, if the very root, that if you get the root of all the suffering is this mistaken view, or the mistaken misperception, or the conception, mistaken view, then what is important is to see that whether this in the root of all suffering, that misperception, can that be eliminated? Is there a way to overcome? Is there a way to transform this misconception about the phenomenon, the awareness that holds to a concrete inherent existence of the objects? Now, the way to this exploration, this examining leads to what if the self-grasping is mistaken in its nature to its content, its object, then that what is its object of the self-grasping? Is that something that conforms to reality, it actually exists, or it is something that is doesn't exist, but it is something that is created by this mental distorted self-grasping. If the object of self-grasping exists, then there is you can't overcome self-grasping. But if the self-grasping is such that it is a mistaken perception, or there must be a mistaken conception, mistaken mind, that means that it is mistaken in relation to its object of apprehension. That is what it grasps, what it understands or holds. It's mistaken in the sense that the self, in other words, does not exist. That the way that the self-grasping mind perceives it or conceives it. So it has no reality. It does not exist. It does not conform to actuality. That being the case, is there a way, therefore, to negate that mistaken, kind of position that has existence of the self, or the existence of this concrete, fixed status of the phenomena and being? Is there a way to negate, contradict, that position? Is there a way to? So the emptiness here has to do the emptiness as a negation. Emptiness is about the absence of such, such a status of phenomena that is referred to as the absence of the self. It is the negation which does not exist. Therefore, the profound view of emptiness about is the negation of such absolute or the concrete fixed status of the phenomena. And therefore, understanding or the cultivating awareness of the awareness that negates that kind of the essence. In other words, realization of emptiness is about understanding the absence of such concrete or the fixed status of the phenomena, and through negating that, you are negating the very root of the suffering. That one is able to kind of to shake that perspective, so to see, poke hole into that mistaken perception by seeing that how its object of contemplation, what it holds, does not exist. If you cannot, then we have the hope of once and for all, gradually, to put an end to our suffering. Because if that misconception is transformed by way of cultivating the realization of emptiness, then negative emotions or afflictive emotions will have no ground, no roots, that they will cease to exist. If that cease, then afflictive emotions or the afflictive karma or anger will not be produced. Without afflictive karma, then the results as a suffering will come to an end. So there you can see that how the profound view of emptiness, its significance, is about, if you want to put an end to suffering once and for all, then you have to put an end to the root of the suffering, that self-grasping. That happens, by realizing its by negating its object, that is the concrete self, and that is the realization by realization of the emptiness.
제가 이 단기 쉬디자니 다디고 요리스니 쉬어야 가르치고 그랬으나 제가 그 타한다고데 탈론다고데 간지 소요랬으니까 난소 둥이레레 세비 그 타레레레는 좀 거지 아니 둥이 제용 만라모 뭐 요디자니 둥이 지레레레 세비 타레레는 좀 거지 다 지부 둥이 나만나서 가지 여바 이난다 둥이 티 전나만나서 간지 여바 이난다 대다 톤신 주사 그 자완다버데 가르쳐야 되듯이 있잖니 danz을 튀디디 자니 답에 danz 크루 치보텔라 님보시 때 토바이나 되네 디기 지부다 지부 둥이다 둥이 꼴린 주사 그 지유조를 님보 차디디 자니 다대부 요래서는 쉬어디디 쉬고 빼나 이제 빼잖아 두신다고 좀 도기 되네 지 시동다고 지 차샤바이나 디 동시디 약을 로마 동차 먹고 예비 동시지 신실을 내바지 그 동시 주여바이나 동시 그 동보디 메바 쏘고요나 야가도 로마 레리니 꼬바이나 차가 말봐 강이 열어봐 디세 몸공고적으로 와다 타지 가려 그래서는 그런 게 집이 있는다 야가 있는다 로마 있는다 용수 줘봐 대사디 그런 거 짱을 때디디잖니 짱 그럴 거 샤바이나 아니 그 집이 둥이 있는다 둥이 꼴린 집이 전나만수 가서 이나야 용수 줘봐디 지도 더불어 봐 디인디잖니 당기 선지기 디두시야 탈론은 사모토만 이게 따로 숨바디 다 되고 요르세니 시야 고디디 비차고 있어요.
So, in the Buddhist teachings, the method, the way to eliminate suffering is something that is quite convenient to achieve. That is because when it comes to suffering, yes, there could be many, the ways to tackle different forms of suffering. That there are different kinds of suffering. That there are different, different kinds. And many different contributors, there are many different causes for those sufferings and hatred, so many different things contribute to suffering, different causes. But for us to try to tackle our suffering by way of just individually, trying to, solve or to find a way to an antidote for different causes differently, each one individually. It may be just endless, so much. But since the root of all those suffering, how many different causes and conditions may contribute to our experience of suffering, they all come down to, ultimately they all come down to this fundamental misconception of reality. So that being the case, if we can strike that root of the suffering, then you don't have to to tackle each cause individually, all the many different kinds that contribute to suffering. We can strike the root. For example, so here, the root being the ignorance, the fundamental ignorance that is distorting about the actual nature of the self or the phenomena. If you can transform, if you can tackle the self-lasting, then all the causes and conditions have no root, and then it will be they will all come to an end. For example, if there is a poisonous tree, and this tree, every leaf and branch and the fruit, all kind of being poisonous, that kind of if they illness and so forth. It would take too long, or also it may be necessary to remove each leaf and the plant individually, like that. That would. But if you can kind of uproot the root itself, if you can remove the root, then all those leaves and fruits and so forth that will come, that arise from that root, that are rooted in the root, all the dry up, and then the so likewise, this approach to kind of striking the approach to eliminating our suffering by way of tackling the very root is a very effective method to overcome suffering.
다 단단한서와 아니 가르쳐 그래 둥에도 차동 용수 줘봐대 녀모 용수 줘봐 제사 기진다고대 단속 돈이 제가 여봐대다 대신 간서 시사보 돈이 소속이 손을 담아 있는 녀이 돈이 줘더라고 지 열에서 봐 배나 차잖아 아니 간서 배나 유지를 차바지와 있나 배나 이도 원한다고 지를 차바지와 있나 자사진이 따디잖니 차유디 유코롱이 취이도 원하지 주니 될 차바지 그래서 손을 땡코니 배나 동안다고 지가 있는 시동다고 지가 있는 용 이파숑이 취이니 이도 원하지 여바지 손을 코니 될라니 시도지 그래서 답변은 가서 니테나 자다 니스니 그지 시디칼 자시에디 이징이 취코로 두자지 주상주지 손을 코니 아니 코 동안다 니스에디 이징이 취이니 자침부지 주상주지로 손을 코니 될 가서 그래 차바지가 여바 차동의 침비 녀모 공도 공지가 여나요 유민이 취조딩이지라 미니 차동지가 여바디 피시다 소속이 시사고 돈이 아니 로하 논도시는 손을 코바이나 손을 담바이나 녀이도 주토한다고 지열에서 담보디 이나요 딱 난소 때만 상지전에 이거 소야데 가르송 거래 디요 말이시 거다 여정어디 저는 이징인이 취 차바 이징인이 취기도 공화도 뭐고와 주딩이 질 자동지기도 이징인이 취조딩이 이도 공화도 뭐고와 쓰니 저는 요 말이 있으니 장가야 돼 까고다
Now, the fact that this distorted this misconception of the self, not just in terms of the person, but this misconception that that is the self-grasping, that is the misconception of reality, the actual well-being. Being the root, how it is the impetus, is how this source of our other emotions, like the clinging or the attachment or aversion, and thereby cause of suffering. It's actually it's quite evident. Of course, it is explained in the text and like that. But this is something that if we can reflect by kind of turning, this exploration inward to, towards our own experiences and like that, it's quite evident. It's easy to kind of relate to understand. For example, from our own experience, we can kind of get it. We can see that how this may be the source. For example, when we are attached to some attractive object, something that is attractive, what is happening there is that that attractive object, to us, it appears, our perception is such that attractive object exists from its own, from its side, independently. That has nothing to do with how we perceive. It's just objective, independently attractive from its own. Similarly, when we have certain aversion about something that had a repulsive feeling or aversion about something, there also that this repulsive kind of quality of the object that we encounter, we tend to relate to that as if this kind of repulsiveness is objectively, independently from its own side there. That everything to do with our perception, our projection, and like that. This is what happens, in our usual relations, relating to the so-called enemies or our adversaries or the friends and like that. When we encounter an enemy, there is a strong dislike, anger, repulsive feeling. This projection, or if this tendency to project this the enemy that is its unfavorable kind of nature is like there from its own side. It is inherent there from objectively there. When seeing a friend, we face sometimes we face an attachment to that. Again, that friendly, kind of attractive or endearing quality in there that we see from its own side. So that's the real problem. Is that because we tend to relate to or project this attractiveness and ugliness or that repulsiveness over there as if it exists from its own side independently. Now, in the Buddha's teaching, that being clear, when you see in how then in the Buddha's teachings, when tackling this, our suffering and how to go about, dealing with suffering and so forth. In Buddha's teachings, that's where the attractiveness or the ugliness, they don't exist of their own, from their own side, independently. That is what, by pointing to that, is when if we can, negate that, then there would, if we don't, grasp or project inherent ugliness or attractiveness, then there would be no grasping, attachment, and aversion, and so forth. So that's how rationale is clear that how the boundary of emptiness can really be the very effective way to overcome suffering.
That tamadilwa, tamasichi dilla. Jetsa dinji ta chadung chesa gi yi jingini yi duwa to mogo di ka ba dilla. Da samto mani ta se di dirsi gi yoris. Jetsa tawana di kanji sini ka gure sena tamadila kanji ka gure sena di mune yo marbe. Di nganso yo ban da bu ji gi chwa le gu duwa. Di me da kanji re sena ta tadong gi ki ji shu ba ina. Pena jaga nalindra ki tajuma lobe tapi zujin tabu dawa tabi kar sumbare sene pena ngaso khonang mulu du pe jayo res pena ngaso mulu taung di chani kansa de mulu no yue dingi chi na mulu no tang shang ju gi pena cha na sinche ina da dungje ina da ani khumba ina da kare ina de tang shang ju de di mulu no yue dingi kansa de gi khorong ngoni yi jing ni khumba chi du song so tang yi jing ni chi 상가보신 두소소 인증이 동전 잡으신 두소소 잡았다. 다가나시 이증이 수지 자동지에서 이증 두소소 잡지 돈이 물론은 영이 가사들이 자동 제거를 봐. 얘는 가사들이 니마지 니세소나 디노로 예디비 뭐 요소 받은 추바이 봐. 디 시운디 자니 잡아도 도마디 랑식 동적으로 봐. 딜이 중이 잡아도 도마디. 대나시지는 나로서 단디니까 될어. 지대 페비니디 고요 말에 디는 니 셴바지는 요래서. 니 셴바진 유디칼 다나가로스지 노시기 치통지 두신 차대야 되기디 이징니 춘나마 노소선라고 되기디 따디 샤차고 통에 다시 지용디 아니 제여바지 오늘 지게만 예수선라고 다 문도 와선라고 등지 지고 통이 라치지여바 등지 지디 짠이 딘모이기 치트게디 나서 단달로 수 이징니 차바도 동아치서 이링니 치여대베 손은 코대야 되기디 용수 줘바디 베 당기 물론 또 하나씩 집어냈어. 너식 세나 디기 니 빠데 세비 디세지 레그레스. 딜레스나 아니 단단 간속이 가서버래 차바도 동치에서 이 요주 배다 차바도 동치에서 이크로 매바지. 시에 고가 주는 거래. 디디 가르쳐 버렸으나 아니 사모토만이 따서인데 또 용 거래. 디디 아니 차도지에서 이제 명이 차바 있잖아. 차도세야디 아니 베런지른지 명이 차도 그래서니 됐송 버렸다. 조디 둥에도 차도세야디.
Conclusion, what all this means is that to overcome our this obsessive attachment or diversions, for example, to overcome, if you are able to realize that there is no attractive object of its own, if you are able to negate that, then that you will not have that attachment, because that grasping attachment arises by projecting this inherent objectively attractive attribute that objectively attractiveness in the object. We have to kind of negate the objective or independent or inherently existent attractive, attractiveness in the object, the inherent. How do we go about negating that? How do we go about overcoming or the negating? That it has to do with to come to understand that there is no objectively existing or independently existing attractive quality of the object there, independent of there by itself. This understanding can be explained through an example. That among the Indian, masters, that's the great Panditas, the very crown jewel among those. Panditas was one of them was Tsering. So he talks about in his middle of the text. He talks about that. He gives an example about this. For example, when a person dreams of an object, let's say a person or like having an idea, have some kind of ghost or like that, or some house, very beautiful or attractive house and like that, or people and like that. During this dream itself, when you are in the dream state, for the dreaming mind, those objects seem just there. Those attractive houses, people are there objectively, real, objectively there. And then because of that, we are related to that because of those perspectives. Then in the dream, you can have, you can feel the attachment and the fear for the ghost and so forth. The scary quality that you see in and of themselves are there, or the repulsive quality and so forth. And then all those experiences, all those emotions unfold. When you are doing dream, you have those experiences. But when you wake up, when you wake up, and then in the wakeful state of the mind, none of those objects that were there seem to be of the dream mind, none of this is there. So you can see that that when you wake up, then the attachment or the fear and so forth that were based on those projected objects, because you see that they don't exist, they're no more. Therefore, if your fear or attachment and so forth also vanish. Right there. So similarly, that here there are different types of sleep. Sleep of ignorance. That where you are, awakened to the reality. So that's a sleep. There was, all the everything in the universe, whatever you see, everything, all the appearances and so forth. They're all, kind of like for a person in dream, the dream content seem real. For us, all these things existing of their own right, just by itself, of their objectivity. And then from there, the attractiveness, repulsiveness, all kind of relate to us as objective or independent there. And then from there, then we experience attachment, aversions, and so forth. But at some point, that if one were to wake up from that sleep of ignorance, that is to come to this awakening or this awareness that the objectively things, phenomena, people existing of their own independent, inherent, nothing exists in that manner. If you wake up from that sleep, if that vanishes, the objective existing, that is no thing. Then, since the kind of very basis for those grasping, fixation, attachment, and aversion has disappeared, it has been negated or gone, there is no attachment and aversion. There's no room for attachment and aversion and so forth. So this is how that we see the view of emptiness is such a profound kind of understanding this, Dawa subjective awareness of emptiness is so powerful and so crucial if we were to overcome suffering.
다 텐지 TV 제시조 다 되게 되래. 아니 다도 대마인비 제시 차시만 내가 전부터 이제 요하를 봐. 아니 드린 가서 디시 토네다 다가서도 시토는다. 아니 저당기 텐지 TV 단능이 공도 시시야 텐지 TV 제자 되게 디. 양고 녀마토스 녀시 제뉴 텐지 돈이 쉬가 배차하는 쉬가이나. 근데 얘기 텐지 TV 토로 녀시 집에 가는 집이 돼.
So these are just a few of the crucial points that are presented in the embrace of the Tibetan origination, this short text by Geshe. But there are many other important, very crucial points, when it comes to understanding the mistaken view of the middle way and its relevance to our well-being and so forth. There are many other crucial points, but because of the time constraint, that we have to leave it here. And what I have presented here also is something that I have, to some extent, it's based on my own research and reflections. I have spent enough time kind of exploring, researching, and examining and reflecting on these. The text that Geshe held. This is a text that he wrote, that the Tibetan origination and individual view from his own personal research, but also not just reading the text, but also kind of reflections from there. He has written that, and so therefore the one Geshe says that what he has presented, it's not just simply from kind of reading and intellectual, to some degree it comes from his personal experience.
아니 쇼로 자신부터 지기다 뭐지 니디 시지 좀 하장 깨웠습니다. 좀 남아서 삼아 도지시.
So So I consider this opportunity to share just very briefly on this profound text with you. I think it's a very fortunate moment. So thank you for giving this opportunity.
도시는 길.
Question can I ask?
It's almost 6:45. Yes, go ahead.
Geshe said that this text was composed after this Jesukhapa's profound experience of realization and emptiness. But he praises dependent arising, which is a positive phenomenon that is easier to understand, rather than emptiness itself. So is it to affirm how conventional reality exists in the light of his experience of
Under the German Dawa, what we intended to
No. 어디 내가 침부실 다대비 하자 내가 침부실 단다 지순가바 침비기 사무도 도만이 따주 출라 주바 추차비 질랑 산질라다 대바 피tun지어라 대바 피tun디 간지신이 피바레 시디자니 아니 다 로노치 듀니시아도 또 대와 주비 답에 타기 자와 투사디 저랑기 사무도만이 따주 이소만 나시지니 지송가바 침보 코랑기 녀시 제제 따티 다랑 리비토니 녀이토니 다가랑 텔 내리샤 든지 이상 다 듀니시아가 타로 돈이 송통에디 다 템바 처럼 냐지레샤스 든지 저런 자침보레샤스 이 대바 피에디 디르와 다 대바디 피비 지르가 나라 가리여레베스나 콩고소마디 덴바레 가르스나 이야 된다디 사무토마니 따와예 바 군시지라 미 따오디 자니 아니 코 가쇼니 또니 미데 마타바치니 드쇼니 아니 땡제기 미 따고야디 딘nen가데 가르스나 딜nen가 니요레스 쇼지니 제바이나 가리요레스나 깡디디 참바기 따조마 모부치기 똥바시에디 코 메비 된다라 고소아 유주 까니 치군요 메바소토바이나 디 이니 또미 된다로 콘주디자니 지송가바 침비고 똥바시에 디 메비 된다로 고야요 말에 똥바시에 디 땡제기 된다로 고고그레스 디 메비 된다 말에 땡제 둔자와 요래 코로 땡제기 된다로 고고그레스 얘기 디 치양 된다로 되는 똥바이나요 콘타니를 땡제기 미다 고야디 내가 지디래도와 내가 니빠디 가르쳐도 그랬으나 사무토만이 따주 싱이디 가서 또 이디자니 코 르만다바디 카시지요래 사무토만이 따주 럼바 담보도 럼바 니바세 니체와이나 럼바 담보 팅고레 럼바 니바 팅고레 어디서는 저그랬다 럼바 니바 팅고레 온디 칼로 아니 돈이 다 열어지니 가서 그런 그 세라 가슈 tomba도 저슈 이 텐제세 온디 칼로 빼 가서 그래 베드 가서 치도 고만 집어나시 돈비기 된다로 소는 코디 디랑시 텐제를 과차토야 지당 텐제를 소는 코디 칼로 디랑시 돈발을 빼 조제토야 코니 펜스 지주지 다 미다도지 제바마도지 지주지를 소야 든지기 세지 내가 요디잖니 아니 든지기 돈에다 코 이야 사무토만이 든지수 도마순디군 산지를 떼바래디나 미데 든지기 돈이 미기 따고 내가 되디래 디 개침모래 하장 개침모래 디 질무지 그런 사순 제바야 말이 산지기야 띵해라 장시라도 손을 지나 돈이를 든지기 미다더니 망부요래
Now that is a very, very important question that you raised. It's a very important, the way that Tsongkhapa presents his praise to the Buddha for expounding the dependent origination. And once again, as mentioned earlier, the point here is that when Tsongkhapa deeply moved by the Buddha's teachings, the teachings that have to do with eliminating or overcoming the suffering, and seeing that how profound, path the teaching that he presented, when as he sees that how through his own analysis, that very kind of through subjecting to the critical analysis about what eliminates suffering, what is the final, the real crucial, real as point or the ways for elements for attaining happiness and so forth. When he is deeply moved by the profundity of the Buddha's teachings, how his teachings provide that very way of eliminating the suffering and attaining full, the complete, the genuine happiness and so forth. He realized that it is the emptiness, that because the opposite of, the self-grasping of the mind that is distorted about reality, that grasp of the self or the essence, is the realization of emptiness, and its content being the emptiness, that's the absence of inherent existence. But the emptiness can be presented, from its kind of as that final nature of the phenomenon can be presented from its, as mentioned earlier, from this, from the point of view is what it is, what is being negated, as the emptiness, that is, or that it can be presented from the point of view of what makes it emptiness, because dependent origination is the affirmative side of it, that makes it negative. But here, Tsongkhapa, of course, in the title of the text, but also within that, the verses point in his praise for Buddha. He is praising as the Buddha as the supreme teacher, that for expounding, the teaching on the dependent origination. It has two important reasons. Number one, when Tsongkhapa composed this text, at the time in Tibet, there were certain views were prevalent, that are pervasive there. That is that where the emptiness was kind of equated to nothingness. Emptiness means that the emptiness of a person means a person doesn't exist, like that. Like that. So it was that many of the existing kind of positions among the scholars there misunderstood emptiness to be, nothingness. So, in order to correct, in order to, respond to that in a way, that he chose to present from this affirmative side with the dependent origination. That's one purpose of doing that. And the second point is that when you, in terms of order of understanding of the realizing emptiness, sad experience, like how to, and then once the understanding of emptiness, has matured, what it, how one understands emptiness, of any given thing. In this kind of the second stage, if you will, not in the very first, but as it matures, in the second stage of realizing emptiness, if one realizes emptiness of a certain thing, there, for such a person's experience, absence of independent existence of its emptiness of a certain thing, and its existence as dependent, these two are not kind of, separate. For such a person, these two realizations, these two understanding of the way that they relate to these two kind, it's like it's simultaneous. Like when you see milk with mixed water mixed with milk, you don't see water separate from milk. It's together, integrated. So in the same way, when realization of emptiness is matured, there emptiness informs, this perspective that things lack independent existence informs that its existence as dependent arising, and any given phenomenon existing independently, as you understand, it informs its absence of having the independent status. So, because of to provide this, how these two truths, dependent origination from the kind of the two aspects from the affirmative point of view and the emptiness, from the negative, how these two are mutually reinforcing, to make that point that he has chosen to praise Buddha for expounding this fundamental reality from the focusing on the emptiness, the dependent origination. Now, this is, of course, the Drepung has made it clear, but this is not the invention of the Drepung itself. You find that the same emphasis made in early Indian masters like the Madhyamala Shastra, the fundamental text on emptiness and anarchy and so forth. Yes, last question.
I was trying to understand this both from an emotional perspective as well as from a logical perspective. So I just wanted to say that my son was born with a cleft palate, bilateral. It's a complete bilateral cleft palate where the nose and the jaw is not there. The upper part of the jaw is not there. So long story short, he had several surgeries on the face, a lot of dentistry. So a lot of suffering of that kind. And I've also experienced my own kind of suffering with mental illness and the questions that arise from that. And I just wanted to say thank you to Vishnu for the teaching. I think the felt sense of it was almost like what I felt when I've traveled, and seen the Niagara Falls or the Grand Canyon, and all the redwood trees in California. It was that kind of experience of it. And a lot of the suffering, becomes very clear how even suffering of that kind, not necessarily just the emotions or the structural emotions. So that's as far as the emotional part of it is concerned. But from also trying to process it from a logical point of view, just to be sure that I'm not understanding this and accepting this as faith and rather than from reason. There's there's three aspects of the path, which is the following text in the material. So the verses 11 and 12 from the section which was taught, and 11, 12, 13, the following section, they align. But the first line in verse 11, which says, seeing emptiness, seeing in emptiness the meaning of it that phrase. Does that, it is just a question, and you, I think you already answered it in terms of the simultaneous arising of the two. But in some sense, in physics, for instance, we say the speed of light is a constant. And from that axiom, you arrive at E equal to mc square, which is an observable. Here, isn't it the converse, where you observe that the two are simultaneously co-arising, and then you posit the meaning of seeing? So I'm trying to understand what do we mean by seeing, the two words, seeing and meaning. When in seeing the meaning, seeing and emptiness, the meaning of dependent origination. That is the line that I have a question of. But maybe that is part of other things that he says are covered in the book. So my question is there an English translation of the book, or is it in Tibetan? So some of those questions.
Now there are questions. The physics that E equals MC square set and the second Shilana goes to M. 얘는 전자도 세대 같이 있어야 되는데 직접 주치거나 이렇게 동안이 때문에 좀 통화났어. 통화났어. 아니 지금 자세 단에서 여러
chen no shi toma ni tenju tin thongwa ma rashi chen toma de saje theba mangi shen ding to so
You lost me with the E equals MC squared and all that. But Doeguling is a physicist, so let me kind of get that clear in an application and get clear for him.
시치딩이 하고 있다. 그 빼줘야 돼 그래 하고 무슨 말.
빼디 디스모도 외기 적세지라. 외기 적세디다 교와요 말레스 외기 적세디 가도 제와 있는 지고지간 되기로 와. 니 되기래서 디 외기 적세이는 딩이진 베 캡스니 아인슈타인 쿠란기 켈렌 체버레스 딜러 두제 케요 마레스 이나야 딜리 켈렌 체버라 때네 아니 단다 이 이퀄 스텝이나 드세다 뉴세니 펜즈용 오 유리아 요레스디 퇴용 요레스 왜 뉴세디 템부 임바지 켈렌사 제라 아니 뉴세다 드세니 펜즈용 오 유롱 임바 데데기 남샤지 퇴용 거라 다 디나신신에 단다 동바디 아니 땡중그 kyone namshi tongba yi tenju töndu tongwa na aslani toni tenju ge töndu tongwa dila tene ani chaje thewa du jogwa jogya di ta kuni di pedin ni jarge du bijla we ge jogse tempo yimba kelembo sonza ani e school mc square du sama thewa chagora dina shin ani tongba di tenju töndu tongwa sonza as ani chaje jogya du sama Digi ni da bedun digi jago tone ko chi kurang gi lingyo sa di ani digi me da ani duzu gi gongde khare yore se ro ji so so zawa digi zawa duzu gi da dewa gi shung khare deb khare yore se
tin je ba 다 단다로 봐 베이슈딩한 세부 쉬어메로 와 다 지지지지비 된다데 디리 지지지지비 된다데 체는 노시 똥만이 땡주된던 통화나 시비자니 다디 조 가르치고 그래서는 이 당이 쉬어야지 난소 사무토만이 생긴데 돈보 또 어디자니 아니 또 차비 질러 돈이 또도 그가 집에 이사 말해 돈이 또도 나버텔라 양치 가르소래 얼마나 버지마서는 고니 요레스 고고 돈보 오만디 가르 네세 오만다 버디 가르쳐야 되려세나 배나 차서는 땡중기 샤지라 머니 비티니르바 땡중기 샤지라 머니 비티니코 가자란식 좀 까토바지 좀 봐이나 저 당기 돈이 또 비체를 이거 요래 세 담보들이 배나 가서变得不像徐白银变得가서 강사를 빼자는徐白银是吧다 강사의 땡중이 맞차샤 다 강사의 땡들 란식 좀 까온디 자니 아니 돈시 강사 그런라 머니 비티니 돈시 강사经济了 머니 비티니 강사 란식 좀 까통이 좀 봐이나요 돈이 다 시점으로 또 봐래 뭐로 저 유니시비 돈이 다 시점으로 또 봐래 산지가 소나는 쉬비 돈이 다 시점으로 또 봐래 이네디 르마 오만디 차디 그래서 다 다도 딘지기 사무토만이 따주디 네센다보디 곤데바이나 네센 토르진 로디칼 가르차지 요레세나 가르서 그래 다 가자란식 좀 깜비 돈슈로 소노 땅 어디칼로 미시기 츠 딘진 주도 그토라 진짜 스바소노 따먹어 체 돈바랑 토니 츠니 딘지가 노자라 피 딘지가 노 츠 티비쇼라 베 가르서 그래 과 제치는 줄 알지 당 로슈 제치는 줄 알지 제세는 줄 알지 용거 알아서 대나지 파슈는 파슈바이나 땡징 그 토로 손을 따문디 깔 미시 가랑식 주비 돈이 토라 산디치니 스드 손을 따마 마따마이나 용고 땡징랑 그 토니 그지 신운디 깔 땡징 그 토니 아니 가서 그래 사무토만이 그 따주 토라 아니 고안다 버디 마손에 베 가서 그래 그 대성기 비 사무토만이 그 따주 토로 고아 파제 토야지 다 뒤단다 시지지지 비는 뒤차졌다 디 산지 초랑기 지야도 디지샹도 아니 코랑기 지송하바치 뭐 코랑기 신주 지리잖니 디 초랑기 수만하시 지니 땡이베네서라 네데샤스 시에기다 아니 지지지 비텐다 오마디들 코니 펜수 지주지선 줘야죠라 디디레 다 단다 코랑기 간주셔야 돼 땡지 티빈 잡아들 가려요레스 네 안다 페이션디 지리칼로 땡지 티빈 잡아 가자라 버렸으나 단디 땡지 때와 코로 담보 지송하바치 좀 봐봐 좀 봐 이리잖니 코랑기 땡지 티빈 잡아라 페이션 단다 년 통되바텔라 시지 신이지다 다도 시지 네 땡지 티빈 잡아 네비 잡아이네 신이 차 그래 이신이 다도 대만이 땡지 티빈 잡아 망보 유지래 유야디 땡지 티빈 잡아 토마디 치 토마디 개방 가시기서는 장기는 장수 땡지 티빈 잡아 들으시 디레면도 디 간라 다도 다나간서 구르jan세 잠보 지름부치 코랑 니로 구르jan세 잠보 땡지 티빈 잡아 된 잡아 담보들이 디닌 고츠디다 다는 닌통되야들로 이시지 다도 대만이 비 비용 개방 망비 인제 상주 땡지 티빈 잡아 망보 유지래 다도
Now, Geshe says that he couldn't quite address the example that you gave, E equals MC square, that's
a metaphor.
yeah. But with regards to this stanza, for you, when one sees emptiness in terms of the meaning of Tibetan origination, when one sees emptiness in terms of the meaning of emptiness, or Tibetan origination, then being devoid of intrinsic existence, that's a valid function, do not contradict. Here, as Geshe mentioned earlier, that when you understand what is emptiness, when you realize, when you are able to grasp that get what emptiness is, that's the absence of intrinsic existence. The initial realization is certainly that when you understand emptiness, that certainly when you understand emptiness, of course, it doesn't contradict that it exists dependent on origination. It doesn't hurt or it doesn't lead you to the conclusion that if a certain thing is empty or inherently existing, then it would not exist dependently. It doesn't lead you to that. It simply initial existence is that when you negate, when you see understand, see here meaning understanding, realizing a certain thing lacking independent status. That kind of understanding, if it is a proper understanding, it would not destroy your position that it exists dependently, will not destroy us. But what happens is that when your understanding of emptiness matures further, when you are aware of that, how things are empty or inherently existing, that becomes deeper than the second stage, so to speak. There, that gradually, what happens is that by simply, if you approach a certain thing, whether it exists inherently or not, by simply understanding this perspective that it lacks independent status itself, without having to separately, think that whether it exists dependently or not, it itself kind of leads to, affirms, points to the thing, therefore is dependently existing. Similarly, then when if such a person approaches a certain things that it sees that this exists, contextually, dependently, or that itself, without having to kind of then to seek rationale or the reasoning, whether it exists independently or not, that itself, leads to the negation of independent status. So those two things are simultaneous. That's what this sentence here, when he said, for Buddha, when one sees emptiness, in terms of the meaning of dependent origination, so by seeing and understanding emptiness, it leads to that it exists, therefore, dependent, without having to rely on another reason or way of looking at it. Then being devoid of intrinsic existence, something that is devoid of intrinsic existence itself, that becomes therefore presents as possessing valid functions, that it exists, so all the parts like the cause and effect, and all that, the parts become valid. So that's what it means. In terms of if are there any commentaries on this, for example,
유시 시구래샤. 유시구. 뭐. ngi ngajire샤.
So, in terms of the commentaries of it, in praise of the Tibetan origination, of course, it's composed is the first commentary, some people refer to this as the Nyasa, the second Dharma, but from the valid sources, it seems like the very first commentary written by his direct disciples, as well as the Mundgod and one of his direct disciples. But then when Geshe says that when he was writing the commentary, on his own commentary, he consulted many texts and did the research, many commentaries, and he found 49 existing commentaries. So on that, if you add his commentaries, there are at least 50 commentaries. written on this particular short
And is this in English? Is it available
in Tibetan, in Tibetan.
요 말에 다 디어 다 자인 챙겨요는 자이투로 주고
It's in Tibetan, but if you know Chinese, then it will be translated in Chinese.
will it be translated into English?
India, you go to better.
단다 자식이 요 말에
Why not? Nobody has knowledge.
질 징이 조선 아니 가보면 피해
So in the future, if anyone expresses interest in translating that, I will have to.
도지체 자식들의